Hello Linux fans, Joseph speaking. Today I thought I would like to take a quick look at AntiX 19. It's beta and so it's meant for testing purposes, not for the main production machine. This is what you see at first boot. Here is Kunky and there is a RAM usage of 151 megabyte. That's not much. So this is not a desktop environment. This is the ICE window manager, ICEWM. AntiX 19 is based on Debian 10 Buster, so this is the new Debian version, and I think it looks pretty good. There is a panel at the bottom. This is a nice wallpaper, I like that. And here is the menu. So yeah, okay, this is a little bit old-fashioned, but we will see if we can change that a little bit. Let's have a look what's pre-installed. We have to go to applications, and now we see there is, for example, internet. We have Firefox ESR, we have HexChat and Close Mail, Multimedia, SMTube, MPV media player, Pullman's radio player, the also mixer, and also the also mixer equalizer, Sunder, CD Ripper, Office, full LibreOffice suite. Okay, no GIMP, no Darktable, but that's okay, you can install that afterwards. That's not a problem. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Here's a control center. Yeah. You can choose another wallpaper. You can set the font size. You can edit the settings of the window managers, but these are configuration files. So you have to know what you're doing. For example, now we have ICE window manager, and so we can open that, and this is the configuration file, and you can edit as you like if you know what you're doing. We can edit the Kunky, that's this guy here. We can edit the preferred applications, the customer's look and feel. Let's have a look. Well, this is it reminds me of OpenBox, or it is OpenBox. So I prefer a dark theme. No, I'm choosing Arc Dark, and so let's see. No, it doesn't work. Oh, I have to apply this. Okay, we can change the size of the default font. Okay, and we can choose Adwaita Dark if you prefer that one. And there are numerous other themes here. But for the moment, I would choose Arc Dark. Apply. You see, this is dark too. This not. Okay. Color. The icon theme, Papyrus is okay. It looks modern, I think. And this is Numix Square Antics, not bad. Rocks, I don't like that. GNOME, oh no. But waiter, I think I stick to that. Papyrus Antics, mouse cursor, the font, and here, okay. So let's keep that. I close the window. Now the system, I can manage packages. I need a password. So this is Synaptic. All right. I can install and delete packages on this way. I can set system keyboard layout, the package installer. What's that? Oh, this is the same package installer as we find in AntiX. There are some applications here you can choose, and then with you can install with one single click, but there is no Flatpak and no AntiX repos and no backports repos as we can find it in AntiX. So we can close that. And we can choose another kernel. And we, here, non-free video codecs. We can install that with a single click. That's good. Are there any desktop environments we can add? Yes. No. These are the themes. There. Here, desktop environment. If you like to install a desktop environment, you can do that here. If you don't like the ICE window manager, you can install Cinnamon Standard, GNOME Core, KDE Lite or KDE Full, KDE Standard. I would prefer the minimal installs. Here, for example, GNOME Core or KDE Lite, or the basic install of Mate Desktop, the basic install of LXDE, or a minimal install of XFCE4. That's possible here, if you like it. So I close now for the moment. I can set the date and time. Alternatives configurator, what's that? Okay, I think. Oh, yeah, choose an alternative group. Yeah, we don't need that now. Network, shares, session, change slim background, password prompt, hardware, print settings, sound card chooser, mouse configuration, the also mixer, equalizer, drivers. You can install the NVIDIA driver, the Windows wireless drivers, or as we have seen, the codec you need. Maintenance, you can repair the boot if it's damaged. There's a menu editor, there's a user manager, there's a network assistant, repo manager, system backup, or an ISO snapshot. Yeah, pretty much. So if you don't like the ICE window manager, you can go to desktop, other desktops, and you can, for example, choose Fluxbox. So this is Fluxbox. Looks very different. You always have the possibility with right-clicking to open that menu. But I personally don't like Fluxbox that much. So I go back to desktops and I go back to the pre-installed ICE window manager. You can also choose the minimal, the space ICE window manager, the ROX ICE window manager, the Joe's Windows manager. But I like what the ICE window manager. Okay, that's good. Here's a file manager. Yeah, it's small at the beginning, so you can make it larger. It looks good. Why not? So let's have a look at the themes you can choose from. So there are many themes in alphabetical order. Here, for example, AntiX Blue Large, or Blue Crystal, or Blue Day Large. That's nice. Or Costro Dark Large. So you see, there are a lot of possibilities you can change this desktop. And here you have RAM 121 at the moment with a different theming. Well, this is definitely good for older computers. You can do anything you like. It doesn't look modern. It's a little bit old-fashioned, but that's okay if you look at the RAM. So why not check it out? And yeah, at the end it's Debian. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, thanks for now. Have a good time. Bye bye, Joseph.